Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, are you looking to clear pigmentation from the skin? Are you looking for bright skin? And most of all, are you looking to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin? Now, take a look at what I have here. I have a fresh aloe vera leaf. This has been used for centuries on the skin. And the reason for that is it works on the skin topically to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and also to boost collagen production on the skin. I have been using aloe vera on my skin for quite some time and had over 50 guys. I'm telling you, I think my skin look amazing. I think my skin is best because I use this religiously on my skin. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I am going to share a full detailed recipe. This is in the form of a facial wash that you can use 2 times a day on your skin. It will not get rid of your makeup, so you will need to remove your makeup and then you're going to wash your face with this amazing goodness. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to extract the gel and then I'm going to show you how to make the facial wash using some other ingredients along with the aloe vera gel. So let's go do this really quick, and do not click off, guys. Make sure to wait for the end of the video to see a live demonstration of how to use a facial wash on your skin. To prepare the aloe vera gel, we are going to be doing so by extracting the gel from the aloe vera leaf. Today I'm using fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe. However, if you do not have fresh, you can go ahead and use the store-bought aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to extract the gel, and while doing so, let's talk a bit about the benefits of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is smoothing to the skin. It helps to smooth minor cuts and bruises on the skin. But best of all, it is great for dry skin. It helps to hydrate that skin. Aloe vera gel is also known to clear pigmentation on the skin, such as the dark spots and blemishes. It also has anti-aging properties, helping to smooth out wrinkles on the skin. Wrinkles such as the laugh lines, the forehead wrinkles, and even your sagging jawline. So what I'm going to do with this aloe vera gel, we're going to be making it into a facial wash. So now, once the gel is extracted from the aloe vera leaf, take a look. Here is the gel, and you're going to toss the leaf, and this is what we're going to use to make our facial wash. I'm going to be doing so by blending, and take a look at how jelly this is. This is what fresh aloe vera gel looks like. You can also choose to use this directly on the skin as is. However, I'm going to blend it since I'm going to add other ingredient to it. So let's reach for our blender, and we're going to add the aloe vera. This is about 2 ounces of fresh aloe vera gel. So go ahead and pour this in the blender. Now, once this is done, take a look at my second ingredient. Today I'm going to be using soy milk. And I'm using the soy milk for its rich content of vitamin A. Vitamin A, retinol. Retinol helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It also helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It's an amazing natural ingredient to use on the skin topically for fast result. Using soy milk on the skin will also help to shrink those pores and leave the skin just looking fresh and hydrated. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the soy milk. Pour this in. If you do not have soy milk, go ahead, use your regular oat milk in this recipe. And now take a look, here it is. And now let's move on to my next ingredient. Today I'm going to be using some honey, rich in antibacterial properties. However, it is a humectant and it helps to lock that moisture in the skin. When you use honey on the skin on a regular, your skin will not only look bright and clear, but also free from pigmentation, give you this nice dewy appearance to the skin. So now that we have all the ingredients together, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend. We're blending this to a creamy consistency. We're making an homemade aloe vera honey a facial wash. A facial wash that's going to help to transform the skin. And once we blend, let's pour this in a container. Store this in your refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. And now this is ready to use as your facial wash. To use it as your facial wash, remove any form of a makeup before you use this, and then you just dig in and apply it all over your face. Rub your face as if you are exfoliating the skin. And you're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. This is good for the face, the neck, and the décolleté. It can be used AM and PM on the skin. If you want to see amazing result, go ahead and use this 2 times per day for 7 days. At the end of 7 days, your skin will not only look bright and clear and free from pigmentation, but healthy with a natural glow. You get your skin to look really amazing in a short period of time using my aloe vera honey facial wash. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And if this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, then look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.